Good morning.
Good morning.
Well, we did. And if you don't know what we're talking about how we got drunk in every country last night.
It was amazing.
If you haven't seen the video, go watch it right now. Anyways, welcome back to our channel. And today we're going to
Animal Kingdom!
What are you most excited about?
To see all the animals.
I'm most excited about the safari, not gonna lie.
Yeah, same thing.
It's gonna be wonderful, and the day is already beautiful.
It's beautiful out.
See you guys there.
Let's go!
Alright, we are here.
Animal Kingdom, let's go!
She's already got a coffee, you guys. Can't go the day without coffee.
I'm so excited. I remember this from when I was a kid.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Can you record my goosebumps right now, bro? I remember this. 20 years ago, bro. I remember this. What?
I think Animal Kingdom is what I'm most excited for.
Absolutely, 100%.
Because I actually remember this from when I was a kid, you know?
I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm here at the bird show and the birds are already showing up and I feel like it's gonna be really awesome. Very excited. Also check out my cocoa ears. They're so stinking cute. Save the earth, you guys.
Bro.
He's about to throw his trash away.
Are we ready?
So ready! TJ's ready too!
Great news. Let's go, let's go! 3, 2, 1!
Oh!
You're like a flat perch. He spots you. He's gonna fly out and steal your honey. And then, where does that go? Right in, all the way. You can do it. All the way in there. There we go. That's what we're looking for. Good job, truly. Thank you so very much. You have a magical day, okay?
To listen to is he's going to take a low flight right over your heads. I want you to try to hear if you hear any sound at all. So when he takes a flight, I'm going to go ahead and stop talking. But you're going to sit up high.
This is Keto and she's a double yellow-headed Amazon.
Wow.
If you've been through Maharaja Jungle Truck today, you probably saw those big scary tigers. Ferocious.
Okay, that was super cool. I feel super special when I got pooped on. She did!
Honestly, if you ever come to Animal Kingdom, the bird show,
cool.
it may be a little underrated. Like,
It was really cool.
I thought it was super cool. Really, really, really cool. They had all kinds of different birds,
They
like,
did all sorts of fun stuff. One of them
Yeah.
recycled.
and pooped on my way. You guys want to make a bet that she gets wet? I can't see behind me. Oh, that looks like a drop. Is that a drop? Can you tell me if there's a drop? No? Okay. Whew. We're good. Ooh, I'm going backwards, so I feel like I will be the one that gets wet, along with Colt Man. Dinoland. All right. What are we getting?
Dole Whip.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Which one are you getting? Just the original one?
Dole Whip.
Dole Whip.
Dole Whip.
Dole Whip?
Dole Whip.
Say it one more time.
Dole Whip. All right.
Here it is. Everyone told us if
I'm
we
gonna
ever
try
came
it.
here to get some Dole Whips, so. Oh man, that is delicious.
That's pretty good.
That's so good. Can you do that again?
No, you're gonna put it in my face.
Oh, good.
Alrighty, now we are gonna go see the Nemo and Dory show, the Finding Nemo show. It's gonna be good, yeah?
So excited.
This is so cute, oh my god.
Wow.
That was so good, you guys.
No,
that was so good.
I almost shed a tear at the end, you know?
Oh, it gave me goosebumps like 3 times.
Really?
Yeah, it was so good.
They casted really, really well.
Yeah, they did. They were so good. They were so good singers and dancers and puppeteers. It was amazing. I loved it.
And now we're going to Avatar. Did you hear the people in there scream?
Did they?
Yeah.
I'm excited.
We're about to get on an awesome roller coaster and my wife goes, look at all these plants.
Yeah! They're cool.
Oh, it's getting dark already. Before I tell you guys what that was like, what do you think, man?
Good.
Good?
To ask
Just good?
Amazing.
Amazing, how was it?
Magical.
Magical, you guys
Okay.
heard it here first.
That was the best, aside from the fact that it wasn't actually a roller coaster, that was the best ride that we've been on this entire time.
Hands down.
That was so
I
cool.
don't know, the river one was pretty cool.
No, this one was the best one. That was amazing. I
That
felt
was
like
so
I was
awesome.
actually flying, like, and Pandora was beautiful.
Don't you wish that something like that really existed?
Yes, oh my god.
Look at her, she's like,
That was so cool.
anyways, that was the last ride of the day, and we're gonna go grab
dinner.
some dinner and then chill out by the pool
That was
for
so cool.
tomorrow because we're doing Magic Kingdom. Hope you guys come along with us. We love you guys. See you soon.